Theatre Club. Before we begin, we kindly request you to put your mobile phones on silent and refrain from any disruptions during the show to ensure an uninterrupted experience for everyone. Here are some interesting facts for you about the play. Following its premiere on Broadway in 1965, The Odd Couple was also a successful film in 1968 and a television series in 1970. Originally done by two male roommates, which Simon later adapted into female roommates in 1985. Today we are presenting the female version. This hilarious adaptation is set in the bustling metro city of Gurgaon, which revolves around two women and their friends who come from vastly different backgrounds and personalities, but find themselves living together in a shared apartment. Aditi, a free-spirited and chaotic divorcee, contrasts sharply with Radhika, a meticulous and organized woman who recently separated from her husband. Adding to the chaos are the four girlfriends who meet every weekend to play a fun game. They are later joined by the two interesting men living in the neighborhood. So sit tight and enjoy the clever dialogues and witty banter amongst the characters and humorous moments of coexistence, shedding light on the complexities of marriage, friendship, and personal space. Let the laughter begin.
उल्टा है आदम हवा का रिश्ता कभी उल्टा है कभी सीधा है जैसे एक नंबर सीधा है और सीधे पे फिर उल्टा है आदम हवा का रिश्ता भी कभी उल्टा है कभी सीधा है ये और कपल बस दिखते हैं डरते फिरते जो दिखते हैं ये सच है या है झूठा है पर रिश्ता प्यार का रिश्ता है ये सच है या है झूठा है पर रिश्ता प्यार का रिश्ता है ये और कपल का प्यार भरा खट्टा मीठा सा रिश्ता है ये और कपल का प्यार भरा खट्टा मीठा सा रिश्ता है ये और कपल का प्यार भरा खट्टा मीठा सा
Okay, it's my turn. Come on, baby. I need my number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Science and nature.
Oh, you're going to love this. How many times a year does a penguin have sex?
Do you know any penguins intimately?
This topic shouldn't qualify as science in nature. It should be called gossip.
I would say they do it 6 times.
Why only 6 times?
Do you ever see what do they look like, Vinny?
Well, they live on icebergs. What would they do all winter? I say 20 times.
Wrong. They do it once.
Once? Really?
Oh God, I guess I married a penguin.
Oh, so hot in here. I'm going to pass out. Wait, she's going to fix the air conditioner.
By the way, someone told me that you were going to doctor. Is it anything else?
No, baby. We just have 2 days. Let's play the game. 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Sports.
Oh, quickly go to other baby. We take science.
4 seconds to go.
What does C mean in Einstein's theory of relativity? E equals mc squared.
I think we should go back to sports.
Hey! You can't change after you heard the question.
She whipped it on my turn. I pick sports.
You're running out of time. 2 seconds to go.
Okay, which cricketer played the fastest IPL century?
Sachin Tendulkar.
Rohit Sharma.
Can't be anyone, but Virat Kohli.
Forget it, guys. You will never get it. Anyway, when I sat down, I said that I had to leave by 12. Monica, didn't I say that I had to leave by 12?
Well, it's already 12. By the way, I'm really worried about Radhika. She's never late. Why she hasn't reached yet?
Guys, please, I need to leave. I told her that I'll be home by 1 p.m. latest. We're making an 8 p.m. flight to Goa.
Maybe Radhika is sick.
Dude, please, there are no...
Supposed to by this time of the year.
Yeah, but there is literally no crowd in Goa at this point of time. There's the best
What a vacation. Some cheap people. Oh, sorry. Some cheap price in cheap hotel. What an awesome deal.
I think Radhika is sick. She's never late. I'm getting a bit worried and concerned now.
Anyway, do you guys give up on the question? The past 5 years actually.
Aditi, where are you? Darling, we are running out of time.
Coming. Being host is not easy. What was the question?
Sometimes she was in kitchen. Okay, I think asked which cricketer made the fastest IPL century.
Easy. Chris Gayle. Chris Gayle has score of smashing fastest 100 in just 30 balls against Pune Warriors on 23rd April 2013 at Red Lawn.
Isn't she incredible?
Oh, yes, she is. You love sports, Aditi, don't you?
I love big men in tight pants. Who wants Pepsi?
Me.
Alright.
Wow, yeah, a refrigerator has been broken since last 2 weeks.
Yeah, so it drips a little. What's food?
What have you got?
I got vada pav and sandwiches.
What's this green thing there, Aditi?
That green. This is either a very new chutney or very old pot.
You're going to eat food from that refrigerator? I saw milk standing in there. That wasn't even in the bottle.
What are you, some kind of health nut or what?
Okay, girls, let's go back to the game. Roll it, Jimmy.
Hey, Aditi, I heard your roommate starting to work from this Monday.
Arey no, yaar. I didn't pass the interview. I think she got scared of looking at my lovely den.
The woman produces a primetime news show and she doesn't have a name. Let's roll on. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Science and nature.
Oh, you're going to love this. What closes when a frog swallows?
I know this. His eyes, they close their eyes.
That's right, Sachna. How do you know that?
I once dated a guy who tried to fraud.
Hey, Aditi, it's Maple Road. Every 6 months you have to buy a fresh potato chips.
I do. Now eat these until September.
What? At least at Radhika place you get decent food.
You mean my food is a decent?
You call it food.
Alright, I'm done being nice here. You all owe me 1500 rupees per head for this buffet which I just saw.
Oh, really, Aditi? This hot diet Pepsi and these stale vada pav from last weekend. This is what you call buffet? What an exciting buffet.
We just figured it out. Oh, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, science and nature.
What is the strongest person in a man's body?
Maybe before or after?
Aditi, you're not sending Sanju any money.
No,
Yes, you are.
a few thousand rupees, yeah. Just until he gets his life straightened out. He doesn't even have a job.
He has been trying to balance up his life for the last 2 years. How long does it take to find a job?
I can't help it. Every time I hear his voice on this phone, I end up sending him a check. He's a little whimpering because he knows it gets to me.
I would never support the right suspect. Not until women are getting equal pay with men. It's so unfair.
Well, you have to look at it.
Oh, really? Both ways? You are going to be one big hit in Goa, sweetheart.
Anyway, did you give up a question? The strongest couple? Come.
You don't ask me. How I know that.
Oh, hello, Sanju. I was just talking about you.
Please hide your checkbook.
How have you been, Sanju? You sound good. You look like you have a little cold. He is whimpering. It's going to cost me.
Don't give it, don't, Aditi. Remember, you got no money.
What have you been doing, Sanju? Oh, mostly thinking about me. That's kind of cute. We are talking about four figures now. You are in wine? What kind of wine? Oh, you owe 2 years rent. Oh God, how much does it come to? I wish I could help you, Sanju. But I'm broke myself. I just paid last 2 years' taxes, yaar. I know you hate to ask. And I hate to refuse you.
Hang up before he starts crying, Aditi.
Stop crying, Sanju. Please, don't do this. Alright, I'll send you 30,000. Fine? Stop coughing. Sympathy is not going to work with me. Alright, I'll send you 50,000 and that's it.
3,000? It will go up to 65 girls, I'm telling you.
Alright, Sanju, I have got to go. It's been nice talking to you. What? Our marriage anniversary? When? Oh, next week. Yeah, you're right. Well, same to you. Alright, 65 is fine. Goodbye. What?
You're giving your ex-husband 65,000 and your best friends are eating this Sada Pada Pav.
You know I have a fatal flaw in my character. Him, go ahead and shoot me.
Yeah, hand me my gun, I'll do it right away.
Hey Aditi, what bullshit weakness.
Just forget about Sanju.
You know there are other men around.
Oh, you think I don't know? There are two Punjabi brothers who stay in this building. Sexiest guys you ever saw. I mean, and they are mad about me. I must be crazy, yaar. Why I am sending shifters gambler like Sanju 75,000 rupees?
Can I just shoot her right away?
In which movie Shah Rukh and Hrithik played brothers?
Everybody all together.
Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. You remember Hrithik in that movie? He's so hot. Oh my God, hottie, hottie.
I remember seeing him on screen. He looked so marvelous. I wanted to rip off his shirt right now. And what about his dance moves? That shower. So cute, yaar.
You know who I thought was the cutest in the school was?
Who?
Mr. Gupta, the principal.
Oh, hello, sweetheart. I told you not to call me tonight. I can't talk to you right now. You know, I do, darling. All right. Just a minute. Monica, it's your husband. I think your phone is not reachable.
I wish you were having an affair with him, then he wouldn't bother me all the time. Hello, Cuckoo, what's wrong? What? You made yourself dinner? That's very good, Cuckoo. What did you have? Chili chicken. That's very nice, Cuckoo. Wow! Your husband can make chili chicken?
He just boils them in water.
Oh, Radhika. No, she didn't show up tonight. Why? Are you kidding? Really? Yes, I will. Goodbye. What did I tell you?
What's the matter?
Radhika is missing. Told you something was up.
What do you mean missing?
She wasn't home all day today. She cancelled her facial appointment and her pedicure. She didn't show up to her dietitian or to her yoga class. Nobody knows where she is. Pushpendra just spoke to her husband.
Hello, no one is missing for 1 day. You have to be missing for 48 hours to be called missing.
Yeah, I guess Aditi is right. Oh, maybe she loves Museum of Modern Art. Maybe she had gone there.
Yeah, and then she might have gotten herself lost while everyone else left.
You know, I once get talked to a security guard for 20 minutes until I found out that he was just a statue. What she is wearing and then someone will know who she is. I mean, you know, she has a membership card for every possible brand in the city. 8 hours go by without her shopping, car market shuts down. Hey, पहाड़ी रोड में आजकल ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स होते रहते हैं. You know what she carries in her handbag? A jackknife, pepper spray, and a siren. If you tap on her shoulder, commandos will show up.
Guys, I'm getting a bit too worried and concerned now. She's never late and she's never missing.
What are we guessing for, yaar? I'll call Sid and find out what's what. Hello, Sid, Aditi. I just heard. Sid, do you have any idea where she could be? What? Are you kidding? No, I didn't know. God, that's bad. Sid, you sit tight. The moment I get anything about her, I'll give you a call, okay? Goodbye. Take care. They broke up. Who? Radhika and Sid. They broke up. The marriage is over.
They broke up after 14 years. They were such a happy couple.
14 years does not mean you're a happy couple. It just means you're a long couple.
Really? But she used to say that our marriage would last for 100 years.
She just missed by 86.
Guys, she will kill herself. You hear what I'm saying? She'll go out and try to kill herself. Told you she's missing.
Shut up, yaar, Monica. Stop being the police woman all the time. Aditi, what do you think? Where she would have gone?
She went out to kill herself.
Are you serious?
Yeah, that's what the man said. She went out to kill herself. She didn't want to do it at home because her mother was sleeping with her.
Really? You mean she actually said, I am going to kill myself? What did she exactly do? Leave a note?
She sent a message.
A suicide message? Well, I mean, I now understand. She doesn't really want to kill herself. She just wants sympathy. Yes, she's right. We get people like her all the time. They crave attention. We have a man who calls us from the top of Qutub Minar every Saturday and threatens to jump. Love to keep an eye.
She is not going to try anything. Forget about it.
Now I'm also worried, yaar, Aditi. We just can't sit here and do nothing.
Isn't there someplace we can go and look for her?
Oh, really, baby? Where would you find a suicidal person who wants to live?
Of course! If you are trying to kill yourself, where is the safest place it would be?
With your friends!
She must be hysterical. Let's be cool and calm. And we don't know anything. If we are calm, she would also be calm.
Yeah, right. That's how they talk to those people. Calm and soothing, like a breeze.
Should we call the police?
What do you think I'm for, Sanjana?
Are you girls through with the discussion? Because she already could have died of old age waiting at the door. Everybody sit down. Ask the question.
Roll the dice, get your category.
Who gives a crap what the category is? Just ask the question.
My mind doesn't work like that, honey. Get you like all the questions. Roll the category. Okay, it's sports and leisure.
No, it's too tough.
I can't believe this. Movies, entertainment. Open the door, Vinny.
Hi, Lizzie.
Hello.
Hi, Monica. Monica, can you repeat the question, please?
I didn't ask you here. Name 3 artists who played their jobs.
Sorry, girls, I'm late.
5-10 minutes. Make tea. Radhika, you want to eat something? We have some sandwiches.
Yeah, I didn't eat long today. No.
What was the question?
You play Devdas. Do you have something to drink?
Yeah, Coke, Pepsi, 7-Up.
I'm in heartbreak. Do you have cold milk?
Old one? No, yeah. I just filled my last one.
That's what I thought. What is it for?
3 actors, ingredients.
Devdas. How many times do I have to say it, Aditi? Devdas.
Okay, calm down, calm down.
Did anyone call for me?
Call? Not that I remember. Did anyone call for Rashmi? No. Why? Were you expecting a call?
No, not at all. Who would call for me?
Alright, 3 actors who played Devdas. Is that it?
You caught it finally.
You mean in the same picture?
How can they play in the same picture, Aditi? What do they need 3 Devdas in the same goddamn picture for?
Why not? There were 2 Tarzans in the same picture once.
There were 2 Tarzans in the same picture, Winnie.
There was one Tarzan and one pretending to be Tarzan.
Then it wasn't 2,000, it was 1,000 and other pretending to be 1,000.
No.
You are from the, what is it like, 12 floors?
No, it's only 11. They call it 12, but it's 11. Radhika, this is still early. Would you like to play?
No, I can't concentrate.
Oh, but it's your favorite category, movies.
I can't tell one movie from another tonight.
Arey, you will know this one. Name 3 actors who played Tarzan in the film.
Devdas, Devdas, Devdas.
Okay, Ramesh Barwa, Dilip Kumar, Shah Rukh Khan. I think I'm tired. I'll take a walk.
Where are you going at this time?
I don't know. Maybe to Pahadi Road.
Pahadi Road? Why?
You heard something, didn't you?
No.
Yes, you have. You're married. Then I'm going to try something. Because it got me after 14 years of marriage!
You didn't have to hit her so hard. She was biting my neck. What do you want me to do? Lick her face?
Please
She's making up.
leave me alone. Girls, I'll handle it myself. Oh, my stomach. My stomach.
She looks so thin.
Oh, I'm not sick. I'm all right. I didn't take anything.
What do you mean you didn't take anything? What did you take?
Nothing.
Do you swear?
Yes, I swear.
On your children's side?
My husband.
You hear that? You hear that? She took pills.
Just a few, that's all.
How many pills?
What kind of pills?
During 3 months, I just picked up something from Sid's cabinet. I must have been crazy.
I will call Sid and he will check the cabinet.
Don't call Sid. Please don't call Sid. If he comes to know, then I have taken a whole bottle.
A whole bottle of pills. We got for numbers.
You don't even know what kind.
How does it matter? Aditi, she took a whole bottle of pills.
Maybe they were vitamins and she would be the healthiest one in the room right now. Make it easy, will you?
No, she's getting out. Get those pills out.
Get out. I got them out.
When did you come out?
I just ate a bucket in the metro. Then I threw up in the elevator. Yeah. Please, girls. Also, can someone get me a drink? Then
You want lip gloss, prize?
Get anything.
Please get her a drink, baby.
Can you imagine me? We were married for 14 years. 14 years. I know, Radhika. Now, 14 years over, just like that, out of the window.
Maybe it was just a fight. And you had fights earlier also.
No, it's not a fight. He's getting a lawyer tomorrow. My cousin!
Radhika, we understand. Let it out. Let it all out. Okay?
Radhika, everybody has been worried sick about you. How many times?
I don't know.
I just wandered around the city. Then I ended up in this Museum of Modern Arts. Then I spoke to this security guard for 20 minutes. He's just stood there listening to me. So patient.
Let's not stand around looking at her. Let's call it night.
Sorry, girls. I'm ashamed.
It's okay, we understand. I'll take it from Radhika. She has an account there.
Hey, Aditi, if anything, just give me a call.
I'm 3 blocks away. I could be here in 5 minutes.
If you need me, I'll be in the Oyo in Goa. You will be the first one I will call.
You can go upstairs.
Good night, Radhika. Have a good night's sleep. I guarantee you that things will look not bright in the morning. Yes. All the best comes fast.
Good night. Radhika, 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 Radhika.
I know. I know. I know. I know. What am I going to do, Aditi?
You are going to wash down those bills with hot cup of coffee. Look down. Never know. You tell me.
The terrible thing is, I still love him. It's a lousy marriage, but I still love him. I don't want this divorce.
You want brownie? A chocolate brownie. This is almost 3 weeks old, but I could toast it for you.
If Sid and I break up, I'll be the first one in my family to be divorced.
Hey, wait a minute. You told me your mother and father were divorced, isn't it?
I mean, since then, my sister is married, separated but married.
What about some hot tea with mud tea?
How dare he go to this place? How dare he!
What did I do?
I get it in my neck.
What did I do?
Get me a hot towel, very hot.
What about the Disprin?
This is fine. And some whiskey, please.
Alright, hot towel, Disprin, whiskey, anything else?
Move to rough and after.
Alright.
And a scarf. Woolen scarf. Kashmir is better if you have one. You know, Didi, I knew something was coming. I knew we were in trouble. In the middle of the night, I would be please God, please God, tell me what I'm doing wrong. Please God, tell me what I should do. Then I would hear sit in the bedroom saying, please God, make her shut up. Please God, make her be quiet. Please God.
Stop.
I'm not a complainer. I never once tried to change it. I never once tried to change it. You know, he wear 2 sizes bigger away. Looks like a bhediya yaar. I never said a word.
Bring them down with whiskey.
Oh, he's also into cowboy boots these days. 5 feet 3.5 inches man. And wears cowboy boots. They come up to his knees. Looks like he's jumped from 100 feet hot. Oh, he's also into languages these days. He's learning Punjabi from a nearby school. Instead of saying yes, he says balle balle. Everything is bloody balle balle.
You are tensing up again, Radhika. Stop tensing.
I'm married to this 5 feet 3.5 inches man who wears oversized wig, cowboy boots that come up to his knees, walks around in the house saying balle balle. And he walks out on me.
Relax, damn it. Your neck feels like Salman Khan now.
Sometimes I feel I should be the one put into Pagalkhana. Sometimes I feel I'm the one crazy.
Later, if this massage doesn't work.
Hello, this doesn't smell like home.
Sorry, it's for the most.
Oh God, you're helping me, yeah.
Because you are not relaxing. Have you always been this tense, Radhika?
Yes, since I was a baby, I could chew into thick chicken bones just with my gums.
How does your neck feel now?
Better. Good. But it never lasts long.
Maybe this time.
No, it's come back again.
Radhika, drink your whiskey, yaar.
Oh, no, it doesn't go down. Summer camp. They'll be spared of this until September.
Drink your whiskey, yaar.
I don't want this divorce. I don't want to suddenly change my whole life. Talk to me. Tell me what to do.
All right, all right. First of all, you're going to calm down and relax. Then you and I are going to figure out a whole new life thing. A whole new life.
Without Sid. Without Sid. What kind of life is going to be there without Sid?
I don't stay with Sid, and I am happy. You can do it, Radhika, believe me.
Yes, yes. You've been through it yourself. How did you get through it? Tell me how. Tell me.
Well. I drank for 4 days and 5 nights. I couldn't work. I ate a big tub of Amul ice cream every night. And I put on almost 14 kgs, you know. It looked like I was carrying my laundry in my pockets. But I got through it.
What about Sid? How is he going to get through it? He's a human too, no?
He is a man, yaar. Men have freedom and he can meet women anywhere. वो तो हम हैं हम. We have to donate our kidney and hope. The man is single and graceful.
So you mean to say he's thinking about other women at a time like this?
I guarantee. By tomorrow night, he will be sitting at single car on top of 2 telephone poles.
Do you really think so?
Yeah, shut the light. कौन सा बच्चों की Tinder पे right, left swipe करो बंदा. What happened now?
Oh, it's a, I'm allergic. It's a sinus condition.
कहाँ जा रही है? वापस आ यार, कहाँ जा रही है?
Baba, I'm not trying to jump, I'm trying to breathe. I'm also allergic to perfume. I had to wear Sid's aftershave lotion, Old Spice menthol. It felt as if I sailed home from Singapore every time.
What are you doing?
Try to put pressure. Put pressure and then they open up. Need it open up? Yes, a little. Yes, I think I strained my throat.
Radhika, leave yourself alone. Don't tinker.
I can't help myself. I drive everyone crazy. Once this marriage counselor threw me out of his office and wrote on my chart, lunatic. I don't blame Sid. It's impossible to be married to me.
Radhika, it takes 2 to make a lousy marriage, alright?
What am I going to do, Aditi? I have so much of life left. 70-75 की होती तो काम चल जाता.
I will tell you what you are going to do. Radhika, you are going to start your life again. You are going to stand on your own 2 feet. Be independent, yaar. Yes.
Yes, you're right.
I am damn right.
Yes, that's what I wanted for marriage. I was a great bookkeeper. I could have been a Price Waterhouse today. You're right. Go back to work. Be independent. Be a self-sufficient woman.
You are damn right.
Maybe I should ask for my old job back.
Why not? Who did you work for?
Sid. God damn it. I'm an idiot. I hate myself.
You don't hate you. You love you and you think no one has problem like you.
No, I happen to know I hate my guts.
Radhika, I have never seen anyone so in love. If you had 2 more legs, you would take yourself out dancing.
I thought you were my friend.
Of course I am. And that's why I can talk to you like this. And I love you as much as almost you do.
Then help me know.
How could I help you if I can't have my food? You think you are impossible to live with? I was floppy since I was a kid. I got married to pink Rina coffee stain. My mind is into other things. I love to write. I love to paint. I love photography. But I don't like to clean up, yeah. I leave a mess. Even I read a book.
I don't do it for myself. I like Sid coming home to a clean house. I want my kids growing up having respect for things. How else will they learn?
But tell me, what is the point of it all? Once you are dead, they are going to throw dirt on you anyway.
If I could change myself. Maybe I should pass it back.
What for? Till one time.
Drop it out again. Maybe there's something left inside.
Radhika, where is your self-respect? You want to crawl back on your hands and knees.
Oh, you won't even notice. You will think मैं पूछा लगा रही थी.
Hey, baat sun Radhika. Tonight, you are going to stay here. Tomorrow, you are going to go home to pack your sinus medicine and aftershave lotion and move it here with me.
Won't I be in the way?
Of course you will.
I am a pest.
I know you are a pest. I was the one who gave you the name.
Then why do you want to live with me?
Because I can't live with myself either. Because I'm lonely. That's why.
I never thought you were lonely. I mean, we have so many friends, no?
Radhika, friends go home at 11 o'clock. Come on, Radhika, I'm proposing to you. What do you want? A goddamn drink?
If you really mean it, there's a lot I can do it. I can turn this place into some sort of interior designer's digest.
No, Radhika. Sports star is fine with me.
Let me do something. Please let me do something. Please.
No. Okay, all right. You can, tomorrow you can build me a Taj Mahal. Anything you want.
You will feel like you have never eaten before. What about dal bati and kurkure bhindi? I'll make it for dinner for you.
No, you don't have to cook. I love it.
No eating out. Breakfast and dinner at home. Because it saves us a lot of money. We will need it because I am not going to take a single cent.
Let's not be hasty here.
Arey, you told me to have self-respect. How am I going to have self-respect if I'm going to take money from this?
Money is one area where self-respect doesn't work.
No. Not at all. I am not going to take a single penny from it. I am going to show him what I can do. That's all. That's it, so let's go. I can tell you from the train. Don't pick up the phone. Don't.
Oh, Sid!
I'm not here. You can call me. You don't know where I am. I am not here.
Yes, she is here.
Why did you tell him that? Did I tell you not to tell him that?
Yes, she told me everything.
How does he sound? He's sounding worried. Does he want to talk to me? Because I'm not going to talk.
Yes, I agree with you, Sid.
Arey! Agree with what? Don't agree with him. Agree with me. I am your friend.
Well, personally, I think she's taking it very well.
No. I'm not taking it well. I'm taking it like a crazy woman. You call it taking it well?
That way you are wonderful, Sid. God bless you.
Don't God bless him. Don't God bless him!
He is me. What do you want me to do?
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, just ask him, does he want to talk to me?
Sid, would you like to talk to her?
Okay, give it to me. I'll talk to him.
You don't want to talk to her. All right, Sid. Yeah, you also take care. Goodbye. Good night.
He didn't want to talk to me. Then why did he call?
He just wanted to make sure that you were all right. He said he loves you very much and you are a wonderful mother and wife.
Oh, he said that. Good. So, what else did he say?
कुछ नहीं, that was not important.
What else did he say?
अरे छोड़ ना यार.
What else did he say?
That as a woman you are crazy as a bad bug.
Really? Is that what that short, hairless cowboy says? Well, tell him he's never going to get another woman like me, even if he lives to be a bloody 1,000!
Radhika, which bedroom you want? One you can see Golf Course Road and another you can see a guy who sleeps naked.
I'm glad that you finally made me realize it's over. It didn't sink in until this moment. You know what? It doesn't feel bad anymore. I think I can live with this thing.
Good. Live with this tomorrow and go to bed tonight.
I'd like to rearrange our lives. Put things in order. Do you have a notepad? I want to make menus for the week.
No menus. I don't want to make any promises over dal makhni. I have another career besides you. Please go to bed. Yeah.
Please, can I be left alone for some time? I like to put my thoughts together. I think better when I'm cleaning.
I won't be able to sleep if I hear you here. If you want to clean, go downstairs and clean the elevator.
You'll appreciate it in the morning. Once I get this junk out of here, you'll see furniture you never knew you had before. Go to bed. I will see you for breakfast in the morning.
You are not going to put anything big like putting up wallpaper or something, will you?
No, not at all. Just 10 minutes. That's all I'll take. Promise.
All right. Good night, Radhika.
Good night. Sleep.
Okay. Entertainment.
My meat, go ahead.
How long does it take Radhika to make a coffee?
First, she will go to Columbia to pick the coffee beans. Ask a question, yaar. Roll the dice.
Okay. In 1960, who was the tragedy queen of Indian cinema?
I know this. I know her name. I think her husband owned her studio and he was producer also. Give us a hint. No hint. I know this. Alright, give us a hint.
She was also known as Chinese doll.
Was she Indian or Chinese?
Asha Parekh, Vaijanti Bala, Sadna.
Nutan, alright. Yeah, same era, but who was she?
Okay. Ice for Pepsi for Monica.
Thank you. Thank you, Radhika.
Where is your poster?
What?
Your poster. I just bought a new set of plastic posters. Where is it?
Yeah, I know they were big chocolate pins.
Please, always use your poster, girls. Cherry on the rocks.
Cherry on the rocks. And here's my coaster.
Very good. See, girls, I don't want to be a pest, but when class will be right through the college rules the finish.
Madhubala? Was it Madhubala?
Yes, through Makari hair, the guys.
Ashtray.
Okay.
And reach for Winnie.
What is this, Radhika?
It's a crab salad with Tuscan herb, big sauce, sweet onion, and pickle.
You went through all this trouble just for me.
Oh, it's not a trouble. You know how I love to cook. Eat it over the day. I was like the rug yesterday. What did you want, Ravi?
Nur Musalla. Can't you see I'm trying to concentrate?
Gin and tonic. Gin and tonic. Gin and tonic. Who turned off the Puritron?
The what?
Puritron, the air purifier. Oh, girls, please don't play with this thing. I'm just trying to get some grime out of this dirty leg.
You are doing it purposely, right? So that you can distract me and your team can win.
No, not at all. I don't even know what's the question.
Was the first big win of Indian cinema?
Veena.
That's right! She was the national queen of Indian cinema!
That was not her question. That was my question. God damn it, Monica. How much does it cost me to hire a hitman?
God, I can't take this anymore. In 3 hours, we haven't got past 4 questions. I can't think. I just get nervous that she would sneak up behind us and shampoo her hair.
I can't breathe! That lousy cat machine has sucked all the air out of here! Everything on the sandwich is so crisp without being dry. You know what I hear? I hear Sid looks terrible. Sends out for Chinese food every night. Which made me saw him on the street with soy sauce on his mouth. Everyone is sandwich is so fresh. Where does she get the fresh crab from a beach?
We raised them in bathtub.
Oh God. Is that hotel still available in Goa? I think I may go.
That thing will us. They will find us here in the morning with their tongue on the floor.
Aditi, do something, yaar. She has turned this nice friendly game into some kind of military academy.
You know, I was just in the bathroom the other day and the towels are so clean and fluffy that she do that too, Aditi.
Yeah, she sends them to Dhobi Ghat and they beat them on the rocks.
The trouble is, Radhika should have lived 100 years ago. She would have been appreciated in the world.
I'm trying to arrange
It's probably vacuuming our lungs right now.
Hey, Radhika, बाहर निकल के आ यार, we all are waiting.
Come in. Oh, no, I can't operate. I'm going. Girls, I'm going.
Don't go, not yet. Game is not over.
Listen, I don't even like this stupid game that much. It's that one evening with you all girls. I will talk sex. I will talk gossip. I can even talk National Geographic. But I cannot talk about fluffy towels and crispy toast. No.
Don't go, not yet.
Come on, it's your own fault, yaar, Aditi. You are the one who stopped her from killing herself. Come on, good darling. I'm going. Bye, girls.
No, she is right. The woman is right.
I will talk sex. No one's brought it up.
I hope I have my wallet so that we can identify my body. Radhika, बाहर आ यार. What's this smell? Disinfectant. She sprayed her cars with a disinfectant.
Hey,
Yeah,
Nothing. So, alright, tell me what's the question.
Amitabh Bachchan starring Neena Gupta. Goodbye. And good night to you, sweetheart.
What happened? Why is everybody leaving? Is it my fault?
No, I think Roman feels much celebrate tonight.
Okay.
She's gonna call you for work anyways, Radhika.
Alright. Hey, you guys.
Good night, Radhika, and good night, husband. Can I just say something? I hate both of you.
And we are what?
Because you're lucky, you can do whatever you want, go wherever you like, live out your fantasies.
Really?
Good night.
Can you imagine? They think we are lucky. They think we are enjoying all this. They don't know anything. They just don't.
I would be immensely grateful to you, Radhika, if you didn't clean up just now.
Oh, it's just a few things. What do you want? They envy us actually.
I'm not done netting you for the night. Leave everything alone.
It's just a few things. You want me to leave them here all night?
I don't care if you have them cleaned by your dentist. Just don't make me feel guilty.
Look, Aditi, I don't want to irritate you. I just want to make this place livable.
That's how you make me feel guilty. You are always in my bathroom hanging up my towels. If someone smokes, you follow them around with an ashtray on your head. last night? Last night I saw you cleaning kitchen floor, shaking your head and moaning, footprint, footprint, footprint.
I never said they were yours.
Well, they were mine, damn it. I have feet, they make prints. What do you want me to do? Climb across the cabinet like a Spider-Man?
I want you to walk on the floor.
Oh, can I? That's wonderful.
Nandiji, I don't want to irritate you. I just want to make this place livable, as I said.
Then don't wipe that chair because some of my favorite fingerprints are on it.
All right. I was wondering how long it would take.
How long what to take?
Before I got on your nerves.
I didn't say you got a color.
It's the same thing. You said I irritated you.
You said you irritated me. I didn't say it.
Then what did you say?
I don't know what I said. And what's the difference what I said?
Yeah, it doesn't make any difference. I was just repeating what I thought you had said.
Well, don't repeat what you thought what I said. Repeat what I said. Oh, God, that's annoying, yaar.
Okay, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I don't know what's wrong with me.
And don't pout. If you want to fight, we will fight. But don't pout. Pouting, you win. Fighting, I win.
Yes, you're right. Everything you're saying about me is right.
And don't give in so easily, yaar. I'm not always right. Sometimes you are always right.
No, you are right. Whatever you're saying is right.
Only this time you are wrong and I'm right.
Just leave me alone.
Don't sulk. Sulking is same as pouting.
All right. All right. All right. All right. Oh, God damn it. Why can't I just do one lousy thing right?
Why did you throw it?
I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm so insane with myself sometimes.
Why did you throw the cup?
What do you mean by?
You were angry. You wanted to throw the cup. Why don't you throw it?
Because there's no point to it. I'll still be angry and I'll have a broken cup.
How do you know what would it do? Maybe that would be wonderful. Why do you have to control every single thought in your head? Can't you let loose once in your life, Radhika? Do something that you feel like doing, not what you are supposed to do. Relax. Stop keeping books, yaar. Relax. Get drunk. Get angry. Come on. Break the goddamn cup. Break it. Yes, break it, break it. Yes. My arm! Oh my arm! You are impossible. You are impossible human. I don't know what.
I'm not supposed to use this up. I have bursitis.
You are not going to cry, are you? I think all these tears dripping on the arm is what gave you bursitis. You know what you are, Radhika? You are a human accident.
Yeah, who happens to cook and clean and take care of this house. I save us a lot of money, don't I?
Thank you, Miss Mutual Fund.
I may be compulsive, but I'm not a drug. We have our good times too, don't we?
Good time. Good time. तेरे साथ ससुराल से मर का देखना is not my idea.
What do you mean?
Radhika, I have spent enough nights watching you put paper clips between your toes. The night was made for better things.
Like what?
Like smell of good cigar circling under the night. Radhika, मेरी बात सुन. There are two sexes in this world, and we are one of them. I didn't make this up. But nature demands that sometimes their sex has to get in touch with our sex.
You mean men?
Well, if you really want to give it a name, all right, men.
That's so funny. I haven't thought of men in beings.
I fail to see the humor.
You think I don't find men attractive? I find men too.
Like who? Name one.
Like Willie Lipton is attractive.
Yeah, but he doesn't date anymore.
Look at it. I feel lonely too. I also like to go out, but I just feel separated from you. Just give me some time.
And what I'm asking for, I would just like to have a dinner one night with a couple of nice guys.
Who would I talk about? The only single man I know is my hairdresser. Easier to other.
Arey, you don't have to worry about it. There are two Punjabi brothers who stay in this building, and they are $1 million. I was trapped in the elevator with them last week, and they asked me to dinner. That would be fun.
What do they do?
Real gentlemen. They go double-breasted schools.
Oh, double-breasted food doesn't mean you're dead.
Arey, Radhika, I'm trying to tell you, there are two Punjabi brothers, and they are single.
What do I get?
Take whoever you want. When they come in, just point to guy of your choice.
I don't know what to talk to.
Arey, they are easy to be with. I talked to them for half an hour without even understanding a single word. Arey, they speak perfect English every once in a while.
Okay. We will do that. But we are not going to go out. We are going to have dinner here, right?
Yeah. Radhika, it's a date night, not a MasterChef competition. I mean, this is a night about nibbling of fingertips and fighting for a woman's honor and make sure we lose.
I am not trying to intend to lose anything. You want dinner? I'll make dinner. I'll make the best rara gosh, chicken biryani, mirchi ka salad, 3 types of salad, and you can end it up with gulab jamun and ice cream.
We are going to have a date night.
Going to have a dinner night.
Beautiful. I feel glamorous. I feel alive again. It's looking like Sanjay Leela Bhansali said. I'm seeing somebody on coffee with Karan. Oh, Radhika, you look beautiful. Big earrings, huh? I love big earrings. What is it? Something is wrong? I can tell by your conversation. What is it?
What is it? Okay. Let's start with what time do you think it is?
What time? 12:38.
Okay, try 8:20.
Alright, so it's 8:20, then what's the matter?
You said you'll be home by 7.
Is that what I said?
Yes. I'll be home by 7 is what you said. Yes.
Alright, I said I will be home by 7 and it's 8:20, then what's the matter?
If you knew you were going to be late, why didn't you call me?
I couldn't call you, yaar. I was running up and down. Ambience want to pick a big pair of earrings.
I have dozens of them. I could have known you, hun.
I told you I can't wear the PS1. My earlobes are closed up.
I could have bitten them open. When Sid was late, he always called me.
Late? I'm not late. I was the first one in the room. And what difference does it make what time it is?
Alright, I tell you what difference does it make. You said they'll be home at 7:30 and you will be home to help me with the notes. At 7:30 they come. We have our cocktails. It's now 8:20 and I have a big beautiful bird waiting to be served, and if it is not eaten in the next 5 minutes, it might as well fly the heck out of here.
Oh God, help me.
Never mind helping you. Ask God to help me save my 5 kg chicken.
5 kg? You cook 5 kg chicken? They will fall asleep without us.
When I have company, I serve the best. And tonight they are going to eat the best chicken they could ever make.
Can't we keep it moist for a while?
Boys, you don't understand? Food can't be cooked forever. It turns into fossils.
We can cut it and we can serve cold chicken.
Cold chicken. Cold chicken. For a sit-down dinner. Who do you think we are? Some kind of...
Adi, that was just a suggestion, yaar.
Okay, why don't we get some fries and dips? Why don't we go to McDonald's to get Maharaja Mac burgers and then share it with milkshakes? You think I went to saloon to get my legs waxed just so that I could serve cold chicken?
Radhika, this was just a suggestion. You asked for my advice, I was giving it to you.
Okay, why don't we get a bag of Halloween candies and let them grab what they want? Essay.
And hold on to you, Radhika.
Oh, you think it's easy, huh? Okay, go, cook, clean, make floor arrangements. I am slogging in the hot kitchen and you are sitting in your air-conditioned office giving cricket scores.
Cricket score? I am responsible for giving important news out to the public. There, you know there is a major revolution in the Bagi today.
Where the hell is Bali?
It's a new African country.
Since when?
Since Thursday.
Well, I have a cold chicken waiting to be served which is older than Bali.
Who asked you to cook? And you are even concerned about your lousy cooking. We would have you as piano man listening to some rock music and eating something nice instead of your chicken.
We are here. Until the guests are here. Oh God! I'm going to get some cutlery later.
Stay where you are.
I'm not going to take the blame for this dinner, okay?
Who is blaming you? And who is even concerned about your cooking? And where is your apron? Don't hear it again, okay? I'm going to open the door now.
Okay.
Hello, yes. How should I say? Sat Sri Akal ji.
ਉਹ ਜੀ ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਜੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਤਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਜੀ ਆਏ
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਉਹ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਜੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਘਰ ਸਾਡਾ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ
Please come.
ਉਹ ਜੀ with deep felicitation और जी Lakshman and I have brought you the fresh flowers and fresh doda burfi from home sweet second
ਉਹ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਜੀ pink flowers for your black dress ਤੇ ਟੋਟਾ ਬਰਫੀ for your brown hair
and doda I hope you like it
yes they are no good
Doda is no good? It's no good?
oh no ji very fresh very chewy ji
Oh, you mean nougat?
yes yes we are actually still new at English
How sweet. And let me put it in water.
oh ji only the flowers tota in water is no good
oh I thought it was no good
Anna Bine this time I meant no good was no good
Flowers are beautiful. I feel like this India.
oh ji I feel the same I miss Patilde sometimes
Wait, Bine, she means the girl is sweet. We'll talk later. So, Priti ji, are you alone tonight?
No, where is she? Oh, she is there. Guys, let me introduce you to my roommate and chef for the evening, Radhika Mishra. How are you?
oh ji my player He's most extreme. Myself, Krishna Chopra, and we will start up our Lakshman Chopra.
Oji, my player is the extremist. I am filled with much gratification to meet you.
But for me,
जी, तो मैं क्या जी धन्यवाद साडे always a pleasure जी, मैं क्या always a pleasure.
And I ji, double the player ji, double the player.
why don't we all sit, guys?
Certainly, you like me in this chair?
Park your seat there.
Yes, yes, we did. The car is outside in the valet parking.
No, Kaka ji, what she means park yourself.
Oh. Good.
Lakshman, why don't we sit?
Of course, if it is not too much of a great trouble for you.
Do is the easiest way you can. Radhika, why don't you sit next to Lakshman? Krishna, are you going to sit?
Only after you this week.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You like that chair?
No. I love this chair. Perhaps you love this chair.
No. I gave it to you. Please sit.
Okay, thank you.
Why? Not until Diti said.
Oh, excuse me. Please forgive me. I'm so stupid.
Now Diti ji, you sit.
Oh, it's my turn now.
And now I sit. बोले बैठेगा भी या खड़ा ही रहेगा.
Can we just see if we all can sit at the same time? Radhika, sit. Down, boys. Down.
So Diti ji, I am so much impressed with your film.
Oh, you like it?
मुझे like it? मैं क्या love it जी. दीदी जी, तुसी सानू झूठ क्या है? तुसी सानू क्या your house is too slappy to invite us? मैं क्या it is not at all slappy जी.
Oh, you mean sloppy?
अरे
Since then I have a woman who cleans every day.
oh अच्छा जी, oh it's the same thing. In my case it's Lachu.
हाँ जी, और it is true. और जी, Krishna and I are very different. देखो जी, I am neat and he is not. I am always on time and he is always late. और जी, I wash all my clothes with Nolakha sabun. But his kacha keeps lying on the floor all the time. मैं क्या दीदी जी, बहुत adjustment करनी पड़ती है. It is very difficult to live together.
Yeah, we have heard people like that, right, Radhika? We have heard. So other day I was telling Rats how we met.
Rats? Who is Rat?
She is. I am.
Rat? समझ नहीं.
Her name is.
Her name is?
Yeah, it's short for Radhika.
No. Radhika ji is not too short.
No, her name is short.
Her name is Mrs. Too Short. Mrs. Too Short.
क्या होता ना है?
It's like a nickname. My name is Aditi, and they call me Adi.
Oh.
So it's shorter for Radhika.
समझ नहीं.
ओए कृष्णा, मैं तेनू प्यार नाल की कहना?
कृषु.
ते तू मेनू प्यार नाल की कहना?
लचू. बोल शब्द.
Lachu and Krish. So hot. No. It's such a shitty summer, such a scorching heat.
हाँ जी, it is very hot and humid outside. मैं कह जी बाहर तो सब कुछ ही तत्ता ही होया पे.
हाँ जी बहुत ही ज़्यादा तता होया पे. It is the most tata that I can remember. मैं क्या दीदी जी, वो जी last night लच्छू and I sleep with nothing on जी.
Right?
हाँ जी.
Oji, actually, the old couple next door, Mr. and Mrs. Patia. Oji, they see us naked. Actually, we keep the doors open during the summers for the cool breeze. They see us naked and they think we are. What is the word when two men love each other?
Brothers.
Oh no. He means happy people.
Okay.
हाँ जी ओ जी बूढ़ा बुढ़ी लोग आसी गए हैं
ना जी ना, we are not gay. What is the opposite of gay?
Not gay.
हाँ जी, we are not gay.
ओ जी we are the most not gay that is possible
ओ जी भरावां वाला प्यार है। हाँ, so rare see, because you live with Jiti ji, do people think you are gay?
Not at all. It is ridiculous. Why do you even ask?
जी because every Friday night you only have Janania visiting you like people say funny things जी
Oh, we just play a fun game. That's it.
oh that is a good point Radhika ji makes one good point
Why it is when men get together, not people separate?
wait that is another good point Radhika ji makes two good points
But actually in India, people are very suspicious of people who are not married. तो मैं कहा जी पीछे पीछे बहुत फुटियां गल्ला करते हैं।
oh that is yet another good point why साडा भरावा लच्छू makes one good point
So Radhika is leading with 2 good points against
हाँ
her.
जी
All right, guys, would you have something to drink?
oh yes
Cocktails?
हाँ जी that would be great
What?
yeah, I don't wish to put you through too much of a trouble but this body cold बोलता है कि
ओए कृष्णा, तेरा पता लीवर कितना फैटी हो गया है? You promise me, no more double vodkas.
Oh, एक बार ये साडा भरावा ना is sometimes like साडी बेबी ये टोकरा ही रहता है जी
Let's have it some fun. What will you have?
मैंने तो जी दुध पड़ा रुलाओ सब बाकी दीदी जी आइस क्यूब्स भी पा
Where are you going? I'm going to get some food and drink, and I'm giving you enough time to get acquainted. Go, go, go.
So are you both brothers?
वो जी both of us
Yes.
हाँ जी brothers
Where are you from?
गिद्दड़वा
हाँ जी
30 kilometers from Patinda.
How long have you been in love?
3 years.
हाँ जी
So where do you work?
वो जी
Emirates.
You in Dubai.
ना जी ना दुबई वो जी it means Emirates Airlines Buddha City Center Buddha
Are you pilots?
वो जी सालों साइकिल नहीं चलानी आती वो जी sales administration
Nobody work from home.
वो जी sporty shorty
Nobody कैपा ते शेपा. यही काम है साडा.
Oh, cabs.
हाँ जी
Cabs.
Punjabi is such a happy language.
Yeah.
I must learn it. Everybody speaks these days.
हाँ जी.
with that is another good point that
Raj, is there a rat here, Aditi?
isn't that your short name
There's rats. Rats.
I am so much sorry that
It's all right.
Krishu but that's the short for Krishna hai Hey, go Lakshman.
Hey, Krishna, it's not Lakshman, it's Lakshu. So, Radzi, what occupation are you?
I'm separate
From your job?
from my husband.
I'm sorry.
I used to work, then I left it to become a mother.
You have children?
All mothers have children.
How many children have you?
Oh, I was sorry, I was not with my husband also. Anyway, now that I'm separated, I should look for a job.
Oh, Hariganji. Oh, gee, that is where Sata Gidarawaha is very different from Tota Gurdamaji. Over there, people still think that it is the man who should be stealing the cake. Gee, also the cake stealer.
Okay.
Hariganji.
Right.
And
You mean the breadwinner?
अरे कोई गलत नहीं वो तो फ्रेंड विनर वो जी मैं कहती लक्ष्मण are very modern, very up to date, very new fashion थी चला लक्ष्मण
हाँ जी, we are very modern, very up to date, and very dynamic. That is why we divorce our wives. That is why we come to this waterlogged and polluted city of Belgaum. But we still love Gidarwa. But it was time to say Changa, Satsri.
Oh, so are there still any children there?
Oh yes, plenty of children. I would say millions of children.
I mean, yours.
Bradley, look at us.
देखो जी
We are very honorable men. If we had children, we would have stayed with our wives and family and be miserable forever.
So difficult to lose a spouse.
suppose नहीं होगा
Well, like my husband was
Wait, did you know he wasn't supposed before you marry him?
Suppose, oh, whatever. Is your, like your wife is your spouse?
नहीं नहीं Oh, we never kept secrets from each other.
I mean, when you get married, the person you get married to becomes your spouse.
समझ नहीं आया
अरे यार कृष्णा, spouse, तेरी वोटी is your spouse. और किधर आए? वोटी, suppose,
वोटी। समझ आ गया
suppose. हाँ, so, Radzi, are you unhappy to be separated from your spouse?
Oh, yes. After 14 years, it's so wrenching.
Wrenching?
रेंच रो चुनावी है
No. It's like tearing apart.
Your husband tore you apart?
Problems tore us apart. Life tore us apart. I'm still not over it, you understand?
Oh, it's no good. It's no good. It's no good.
So Rats, you are now sad. But in time it will be okay. Oji, in Sade Gidarwa, there is a saying that the house is not built until the smoke comes out of the chimney. समझा? Everybody जी request है जी for a better understanding इधर आओगे जी पहले just for 2 minutes
Do you need any help?
आओ जी
I'm having some trouble with ice cube. Carry on.
हाँ जी कहो जी बैठो हाँ जी तो मैं कह रहा जी मैं कह जी the bull does not cry till his horns touch the sky उन्हें समझ आया
मैं कृष्णा मैं सुनो जी को The sailor comes home when the ship is lost. होता समझ आई है ड्रिंक्स वाटर
ए ना ना काका जी वो तेनों पानी पिलाने की कोई लोड़ नहीं वो भोगूगा
Anyway, it's okay. It's all right. Let's talk something else. Can you just pass on the problem then?
क्या बात है जी
I'll show you something. This is the most difficult part of it.
Were you childhood sweetheart?
No, they're my boy and my girl.
देख लच्छू किन्ने सोने जवाब दे।
ओह क्या बात है जी, क्या बात है। Mary, the little girl looks so pretty.
हाँ जी।
Just like you.
That's my little boy. See this? That's it.
ऐसे दे। देख लच्छू किन्ना सोना मुंडा वे।
आहा क्या बात है। Very distinguished.
हाँ जी।
मैं लंबे फूट। काले मार। ये तो बिल्कुल जी गाइयां चराने वाला मुंडा लगता है।
He means a cowboy.
He just likes to wear those boots.
मैं कहती मुंडे दे बाल दा बहुत मोटे काले है जी। Is he a Punjabi?
He is I think a hair maybe.
Oh.
Now, see this one. Such a nice one.
तो ये
मैं कहती फोटो तो बड़ी सोहनी है।
हाँ जी।
पर फोटो तो भी है ही नहीं।
Oh, because that's a picture of our living room.
Oh.
We had a gorgeous apartment.
देख लच्छू किन्ना gorgeous living
Oh yes. Wow. मैं कहा जी the lamps are beautiful lamps.
We bought those lamps for kitchen. We had a lovely apartment. Wonderful. I love my apartment so much. I never wanted to go out of it. It was such a happy place. Everybody laughing, talking, singing, friends, everything. But now, there's no one. No sin. No laughter. No lamps.
Rats जी, और ये तुसी घबराओ ना। I know a place in Panchkuiya furniture market. और जी you will get the same lamps. लेकिन नाले सस्ते भी मिलते हैं।
I didn't want to be so emotional. I'm so sorry about it.
It's okay.
Can I get you something to eat?
Oh, Nani. Oh, I think it's important to cry. It washes away all the pain. Hello, Lachu.
हाँ जी, when Krishna said goodbye to his suppose, he cried for 3 weeks.
Well, I loved her like no man could love her, suppose. Oh, every night I still think of her. Hello, Lachu.
हाँ जी, every night I hear him thinking of her. हाँ जी.
Sometimes I think I have made a big mistake. I think I was insane. And now it's too late.
Maybe it's not too late.
It is. She got married last month.
For me it's the same. God forgive me. Your wife was unfaithful. But I still love her and I will still forgive her. I will never find another woman like Sandeep Kaur. His ex-wife's new husband.
Oh, she was married?
Yes!
Oh my God! So sad!
What the hell just happened? What did you tell them?
Nothing.
If you want to cry, go inside and see your dead bird.
Why did you tell me that? I told you to tell me that! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Why is that She is highest rated drama queen of Indian soul.
No, Ji. I think she's the most sensitive woman that I've ever met. वो बिल्कुल गौरी है.
Megari, so sensitive, so fragile, just looking like a. Megari, she is the kind of woman you will only find in a circle.
Let her come out, and that's the place where she may head for.
Oh, I hope everybody likes. Stop, please.
Can we save it?
Save what? This dead bird looks like kaui ki biryani.
Can we look at it, please?
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਸਾੜਦਾ ਜੀ.
Moji,
It is a very very important body.
Moji, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਕੁੱਕੜ ਦੀ ਮਾਂ ਪੈਣੀ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ?
बड़ी घबराहट वाली कोई गल नहीं है जी. We can have chicken tikka and crocodile soup at our apartment upstairs.
With this?
Oh, Najina, we can order directly from Zomato or Swiggy with a coupon code Dreamcatcher.
All right, we will not even wait for elevator. There is a dog or.
And the others are always like a doggy pyar and that.
Okay, ji. In our apartment in 15 minutes. Hey, ji. Okay, ji. Chaka ji. Sasrikal.
Sasrikal ji.
Tiger Rat ji. Sasrikal. Piyu ji. Chaka ji. Bye bye.
Go, take the cheese dip and go.
No, I cannot. I won't go. No.
Chalna.
No, no, I can't. I still feel guilty. I still feel emotionally tied to Sid.
Arey Radhika, have a nice dinner with your neighbors. Not adultery. Chalna, yaar, jaldi.
You go first.
All right. What happened?
My bag. My bag. I think my bag is broken.
Your bag is broken! Are you going to ruin my evening? Please, Chalna.
No, no, go. You just go. I'll figure it. God, please.
I can't leave you alone. Let me get some discipline.
Oh God, please don't make me fall here. I still have 2 children to raise. God, please, God.
Oh God, make her shut up. Oh God, make her be quiet.
Okay. So, how long is going to go on? Are you not going to talk to me for the rest of your life?
You had your chance to talk last night. I begged you to come upstairs with me. I was looking for some romance. Instead, I got a petrified woman standing on my doorway. मैं तेरी आवाज भी नहीं सुनना चाहती. Do you understand?
Anji ji, बैग क्या कर ले?
What? Yeah. This is a key to the back door. Stick to hallway and your room, and you won't get hurt, okay?
Well, let me remind you, I pay half the rent and I can get into any room I want.
Not in my apartment. मुझे तेरी शक्ल भी नहीं देखनी है. Cover the mirrors when you walk through the apartment. And mind you, I'm sick and tired of smelling your cooking. तेरे poly unsaturated oil की खुशबू ने मेरा दिमाग खराब कर दिया है. Now, get that spaghetti off of my table.
That's very fun. Really fun.
What the hell is so funny about it?
That is not spaghetti. It's linguine.
Now it's garbage.
Oh my God! Are you crazy? Look at it all over the place. Oh my God! I'm going to clean it.
You touch one strand of that liquidity and I'm going to open every sinus on your head.
What have I done? What is it that's driving you crazy? It's cooking, the drying, the cleaning. What?
I will tell you what it is. Come. Sit. It is the cooking, the cleaning and drying. It is the moose call you make 3 o'clock in the evening, morning, or you open your ears. I can't take it anymore, Radhika. मैं तेरे साथ नहीं रह सकती. Everything you do irritates me, and when you are not here, things I know you are going to do when you are coming irritate me. हमारा कुछ नहीं हो सकता, Radhika. We are a rotten pair.
Okay, now I get the picture.
Picture I haven't even painted. It's just a frame. Every night in my diary, I write down things you did that day that aggravate. And it's only August, and I filled the diary till February. And mind you, Singh Brothers fiasco तो मैंने लिखा ही नहीं उसमें.
Oh, now I know why you are angry. That I loused up your sex life last night.
What's that like? I can't even have dirty dreams. You come in and clean them.
You didn't want to not have the date in the first place, didn't I?
Don't show me this finger. I'm just going to get to use it.
Didi, get off my back, off my back.
What
Didi,
is this?
you are going to hear something I don't want to say, but if I say it, you better hear it.
What is this? Some kind of display of temper? I haven't seen you really angry since the day I dropped my eyelashes in your pancake batter.
Oh my God. All right. I want you. I want you. Aditi, you are a wonderful woman. You did everything for me. If it wasn't for you, I don't know what would have happened to me. You gave me a place to live, something to live for. Your talks with me, I'll never forget it.
Alright. If somebody just told me off, I may have missed it.
It's coming, it's coming.
Good.
You are also one of the biggest slobs in the world.
Alright.
Completely unreliable,
Really?
undependable,
Wow.
unappreciative, irresponsible, indescribably inefficient.
What is this? Some kind of Javed Akhtar poetry?
Now I'm finished.
Good.
Now you are told. How do you like it?
Good. Now I'm going to tell you all. Radhika, since last 8 months, I was living in this apartment all alone. I was lonely, I was miserable. I took you in because I thought we could help each other. But after 3 weeks of close personal contact, I have hives, I have shingles, and I am getting old twice at the age of sound. I can't take it anymore, Radhika. I want you to move into the kitchen and live with your cats, your pants, and your litter. And I am going to lie down because अगर मेरे दांत भी यहाँ गिर गए ना तो फिर से वैक्यूम क्लीनर निकाल लोगी.
Can I please go on the other side? I just washed the floor in there. Don't stay away from me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. No,
Leave the way and I know all the doctors.
is this how you solve all your problems in the kitchen?
I want to put your head in the oven and cook it like that.
If you live up with that, you're going to find yourself in a big loss. I'm telling you.
You want to see how I solve the problem? I will show you how I solve it.
Wait. Where are you going? Where are you going?
how I solve my problem.
Very good.
Not me. You idiot. You are the one who's going.
I didn't get you.
Radhika, the marriage is over. We are getting an annulment. I want you to pack your things, wrap it up in the foil paper, and get out of here.
You mean actually move out?
Actually, immediately.
Oh. All right, Aditi. I have got a really good mic with me.
Why she's not listening to me? I know I'm talking. I recognize my voice.
So, you mean I actually move out?
Actually, physically, and immediately.
So, okay, I just wanted to keep the record straight. Let it be on your conscience.
Let what be on my conscience?
If you're throwing me out, get out of the house is what you said. So remember, if something happens to me, it's going to be your responsibility. Let it be on your head.
What did you put on my head? Don't put things on my head. Take it back.
Well, I have left you plenty of food. If you feel hungry, you can just eat it out. If you don't know how to light a match, you can ask your neighbor brothers.
Radhika, first you take whatever you put on my head. Let it be on your head. That's what you said. What was that? The cards of cash people?
Well, I'd like to leave. Oh, that's your bell. Aren't you going to answer your bell?
Radhika, we have been good friends. And, we have spent good times together. I want you to shake hands and leave it like, gentlemen.
Well, there's nothing gentle about waking up.
Okay. I tried.
What's going on? Radhika, you look like a ghost.
Well, Aditi will let you know everything. You guys have a good game. If you feel hungry, she'll serve you a plate of linguine. But don't forget to duck. Bye.
Is she playing tonight?
No, she has to go out and spread the guilt throughout the land. Come on, we will start the game. Come on.
I know what you guys are going through. I and Harsh also had a big fight early this morning.
Why?
He's so jealous, Chad. He thinks I dress too sexy.
Hold on to Harsh, okay? He is an unusual guy.
Hi, girls. I really got a bad news. I woke up with doctor. Can I have a glass of scotch, please?
Did he leave you with guts on your head?
He's not a witch doctor. He's a gynecologist. Hi, girls. Hi, everyone. I've got a major news to tell you all.
Is it good news or bad news?
Well, it depends upon what your income is. I am pregnant.
Congratulations, Sanjana.
Isn't it great? The penguin came through.
Are you sure you're pregnant? I don't trust gynecologists.
By the way, where's Radhika? I have to tell her this big news. Where is she?
She left him because she didn't like what I said.
What did you say?
I said, get out of my house. Yeah, because I could take it. She was getting into my nerves. And she was arranging nuts in the plate and I don't know what she was doing all the time and I'm like,
Alright. Aditi, we all know she's impossible. But she's still our friend and she's still out on the street and I'm still worried about her.
You think I'm not worried? You think I'm not concerned? Who do you think sent her out in the first place?
Sid. What? Sid sent her out in the first, you sent her out in the second, and whosoever she lives next will send her out in the third place. Don't you understand? It's Radhika who does it to herself.
But I wonder where she'll go this time.
It's her. I know she wants to come back and even Gurgaon doesn't want her either.
I think the door.
No, we will start the game first. I don't want to give her any pleasure knowing we were worried about her. Please, start the game.
Oh God, I guess my baby is not listening to all this. Otherwise, she would think that women are crazy.
Open the door.
Oh जी, सत श्री अकाल जी, myself Mr. Krishna जी.
Oh, it's not hard. Mr. Krishna.
हाँ जी, myself कृष्णकांत चोपड़ा जी.
Hi, Krishna. Girls, I would like you to meet my neighbor, Krishna Chopra.
Hello ladies. Oh जी,
What's the matter?
I think you already know. Aditi. I have come to pick up Rad's कपड़े लत्ते.
My Radhika's too?
हाँ जी, oh जी, Mrs. Radhika Mishra, that sweet tortured woman who is now wrenching her tears out in her apartment to Sadap Raval and Chuji. You have been a very naughty suppose, Diti. But friendship is more important than bloody cooker. She is now getting it up in her apartment.
Girls, I will translate all this later.
Krishna! Oh, Krishna! Krishna! Oh, yeah, Radhika doesn't want to stay. Please tell her to... Okay. Please excuse my intrusiveness.
It's all right, boys. I will find a hotel. It's okay. Oh, hello, girl.
अरे क्या उसी गला करते हो जी? I told you, Radhika ji, we have a spare room that nobody ever uses. You cannot refuse our invitation.
Oh, in our Vidarbha, we were not raised to allow a woman to wander the streets alone.
Are you sure I won't be much of a trouble?
Oh, जी trouble? Oh, it is we who are the trouble. जरा लच्छू है ना जी, रोंडे बड़े मारता है. And I walk and talk in my sleep.
That will go very nice with your moose calls. Anna Radhika?
जी, Diti ji, I don't mean to be rude, but in Sate Kidarwa, to throw a friend out of the house is like killing a sand with a pistol. That's for a couple of days.
Just until you get settled.
Oh, okay. If you so insist, then only for one night. Tomorrow onwards, I have to find the job.
Oh, well, that would be very wonderful, ji.
Shall we help you with the clothes?
No, I will get them from inside. Inside clothes.
And come up as soon as you're ready. Rad Z.
Red Z?
Daru Sharu ke double show in 15 minutes in our apartment. Follow me.
And keep reading that Punjabi language book that I gave you.
Changaji.
Changaji.
Hey, Nance, you're going to live in just these two guys? Well, one kicks you out, two take me. Women are finally making progress.
God, I guess I'm going to give birth right here on this floor.
By the way, this floor is cleaner than hospital.
Well, I'm really impressed. I never saw such a change come over a woman so fast in my
I
life.
feel so light. Oh, I feel as if I'm floating. Like you have cups in. Alright, Aditi, I want to thank you for 2 things. What for? For taking me out and taking me in.
Hello? Just a minute. It's your husband.
Oh, well, tell him. Oh, I can't talk to him right now, I'm very busy. Well, I'm going to call him back because there's a lot to talk. But if he feels that I'm not the same woman who left the house 3 weeks ago, it's because I'm not the same woman. Go ahead, tell him, Monica.
I will when I see him. It's Aditi's husband.
All right. Anyway,
Sanju, I can't talk to you right now. Can I call you back? Check? I think I'm possibly done sending you any more checks, yaar. What? You sent me a check. I mean, you paid everything. I never expected you to pay everything. I mean, yeah, I know what self-respect does mean. Alright, I mean, it doesn't mean you're not going to call me anymore. Yeah, you will, I'm sure. Okay, bye, take care. I think he doesn't need me anymore.
well,
Like he is better than me.
Listen, you better go. You are sounding like fortune cookie now.
Alright. Okay, girls, aren't you going to start the game?
Yeah! You wanna play?
No, not today. Because I'm very, what do you call it? Busy!
Okay, जी students.
Let's start again. Priya and me against you three. Roll the dice. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Entertaining! A popular song covered by a Japanese band that talks about women empowerment and a woman's place in the world. It was also in the movie Gangs of Wasseypur.
Oh, mania.